Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today, I have here a model kit which came from the Mecha anime series Gundam Seed, and this is released by Bandai in the year 2006. And this is none other than the Gundam Strike Freedom. So this may not be the finest Strike Freedom that exists anymore, but this is one of the special Strike Freedom for me because this is a gift from my wife. Yes, thank you very much, my wife Jing. Love you, mahal. And this is her gift to me during the Christmas of 2023. But as of this recording, today is already August 6, 2024. So it even surpassed our wedding. This kit is one of backlogs there. So I preserve this kit as much as possible because I don't want to finish this kit yet, since this is very sentimental. Together with this one here, this Kynar from Oldie, this Pioneer Kynar is also a gift from my wife. So these two are my Christmas gift from my wife, Jane. So these two are very special to me. And yes, we'll make an unboxing review first on this Strike Freedom because I really like to build it now. I had a hard time choosing between Strike Freedom or this Einar there, but I much like Strike Freedom. So this might not be, as I said, not be the finest Strike Freedom anymore because there are the new releases such as the MGEX. It's very expensive, which I don't like because there are so much issues on the waist joints, I think, and also the backpack. And even the Chinese bootlegs have their own Strike Freedom model, but still, I much like the older kits. So let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside Fangenbirhan Los Kits. So just a story before we open the box. During October, I think, October 2023, I let my girlfriend then, before she became my wife, I let Jing choose 5 model kits, including this and including the Kynar as well there. I let her choose one among those 5 as a Christmas gift to me. So she didn't tell me what kit she bought from that 5 kits, so it's a surprise. But I'm expecting she only bought me 1 kit, but I was surprised when I come home from Saudi Arabia here in the Philippines that she bought 2 kits for me. One is the Strike Freedom and the Pioneer Kynar. So those 2 are included from that 5 kits. I forget already what are the 3 kits I included from that list. Anyway, the Strike Freedom here shows the typical old school appearance of art boxes from the early 2000. So we can see here the Strike Freedom from Zaft, and it was released by Bandai in year 2006. So this is already an old kit. So it exceeded 10 years. It's near 20 years from now. Today is 2024, so 2 years more. This is 20-year-old kit, so it's old. And the side of the box, we can see the gimmicks for this kit. Yep, the two guns there that can combine, and we have this side skirt rail guns, the swords or beam sabers that can combine as well, and there we have the side skirt where it can retract backwards and can make way to plug those rifles on the side. So the front view here is very nice. It's very simple. It's an anime accurate design. And there at the back, we can see this massive funnels there, fin funnels, or the dragon, as described from the series, because fin funnels is from the UC, the Universal Century. Actually, I'm not familiar with the seed. Just like the designs of some kits there. So there we have these dragons where you can retract the parts to expose some gold parts inside. On the other side, you can see the action pose of Strike Freedom, and there we can see the gold inner frame, which is very nice. So this is the what do you call this? The highlight event for this kit, where it can show off his gold inner frame. But unfortunately, we cannot appreciate that after we put the armors on. And what I like from this kit, aside from this is the Strike Freedom, is because it has an articulated hand. But unfortunately, the articulated hand of this is bullshit, as what I heard from the review. But it's okay as long as it has this articulated hands. It's okay for me. Mababaw lang talaga yung kaligayahan ko. Gusto ko lang gumaganon yung kamay. So there you can see the ang ingay ng tricycle. So there we can see the straight build being plugged on the action base stand. So let's now open this box and let's reveal the gift from my wife. And there it is, Strike Freedom Gundam manual. There we can see the Zaft logo. Who cares what Zaft is? And there the Strike Freedom side view head there. There we can see this kind of printout from the early 2000 model kits. There are explanation in Japanese, but fortunately I cannot read it. And there we have the parts list here. So so much parts, but this is what I don't like. It has so much polycaps. But you know what? This PC130BC, I already collected so much of this from the early releases of Gundam seed lines. So I collected so much polycaps of this, the spare one. So if you want to buy, I will sell it to you. Okay, and there we got the parts building here. I much like this because you know, you have this parts to be readied on for a particular unit, body unit there. I much like this kind of manual. And there it's all black and white. In the center fold we can see the colored printout. This one exposed inner frames. There are gold, and then wings there, and the legend that arose newly, blah blah blah, connection is severed, phase freedom. Anyway, I don't care about that. And there, wing units. So I think this will be the thing that will consume my time, the building the wing or the dragon units for this kit. Okay, and so we got the weapons, so much weapons there. And yep, okay, that's it. So let's check the parts here. Okay, we have here the gold parts. So actually, this is not the gold I was imagining about before, but this is just like I remember something here in this kind of plastic. I remember the Macross Siegfried, the ankle part of Macross Siegfried has this kind of plastic which is very brittle, so I am a bit scared. I hope I'm not I hope I'm wrong in what I'm thinking. And yes, there is this ruffle bay from G16 base. I wonder if my wife bought it from G16. Anyway, shout out to G16 base. You have something here in the kit. I don't know. Maybe she bought it from you. Just benefit of the doubt. And anyway, thank you, G16. And there we got the Dragon's blue parts here. Then we got gold parts, gray parts, black parts for the inner frame. So we got here the action-based stand, which is very simple. Then we got gold parts here also. Beam shield effect parts, and there, very nice. We got gold parts for the inner frame, leg inner frame, and blue parts for armor pieces. We got white parts here for the armor pieces, gold parts for the hands, articulated fingers, and I don't know which part is this, maybe for the wings. And we got a multicolored runner here, red, black, yellow, and transparent part there for the face. We got white parts here, and we got Kira Yamato there as pilot figure, and I think this is Lacus there. I don't care. So I can pair it with the Tifa with Tifa Adil from Gundam X action figure or minifigure. And there, white parts for armor pieces, dragon parts, black parts, and beam saber effect parts for the traditional pink one. Some instruction for newbies. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's start here in the left portion of the camera. So we got this gold parts for the inner frame. This is runner eye here. We got polycaps, gold polycaps, gold version of the PC130, which I have so much spare in me, and polycaps. Then we got black or dark blue runners here for runner D. I think this one for the dragoon or the wing parts. We got this dragoon parts here, the blue one. So these are both runner, I cannot see, runner L. Okay, so these are two runner L's for the dragoon parts. We got gold parts here, runner N, and gray parts, runner G for, I think this one for the guns. Yep, guns. Then we got gray parts, runner F. Then we got blue parts for the feet and the torso. This is runner E. We got gold parts for the leg, inner frame, and these are runner H. So we got two runner H here. Then we got white runners here, runner C, and another runner C. So we got two sets of runner C. We got runner J here for the manipulator sets, gold parts. Then we got here another gold parts for the dragoon. I think this is runner K. And multicolored runner here, black, red, clear parts, and yellow parts for the V-fin. This is, I presume, runner A, and I'm correct. This is runner A. Because most multicolored runners are named or labeled runner A in Bandai model kits. White parts here for runner B with the pilot figures and supporting character figure. We got the beam saber effect parts, runner SB4. Of course, this is the clear pink part. And finally, we got two sets of this dark blue runners here for the dragon, which is runner M. So we got two runner M here. For the detailing parts here, we got foil stickers, dry transfer decals, and I think this is a sticker decal. Yeah, sticker decals there. And last but not the least, we got this beam shield. I supposed to say beam saber. It should be beam shield effect parts, same like with the Infinite Justice. So okay, and let's not forget we have the runners for the action base stand, and I might preserve this. I will collect this runner, or I will collect or utilize this action base stand because it's a gift from my wife. And so thank you very much for watching this blast from the past unboxing of master grade Gundam Strike Freedom from Bandai, released by Bandai, and especially this is Ace. This is a gift. This is very special, a gift from my wife for Christmas 2023. And thank you very much, guys, for watching this. If it helps you decide whether to buy master grade models from the past, and this video helped you decide on buying that, thank you very much. I appreciate, and I hope you share and like all my videos. And now I'm starting reviewing kits after I finish all my backlogs. Still I have backlogs remaining, but now I'm starting to review model kits, finished model kits. Again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye. God bless. Take care. Have a nice day. Auf Wiedersehen. Masalama. Goodbye. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Tschüss. Before I go, I just want to say thank you to my wife, Mary Jean. I love you so much, and thank you for this gift. This will be a treasure for me as a Gundam collector. This is like the Yakushiki that you gave me, and what do you call this? Spike Spiegel's plane, the Swordfish too. It's also a gift from her. Anyway, love you, Jing.